When you first start out in a Word document, start as you mean to continue. So on screen here, I've got some text. This is a portrait document, which means it's longer going down the page than it is going across. If you know your document needs to be landscape, for example, it's a budget page that maybe you've dropped in from Excel, set this up before you start work. Just makes things a little easier. You can easily change your page layout so that it's portrait to landscape by going to the Layout tab. And here we have orientation. You can choose portrait or landscape from here. Portrait meaning vertical, landscape meaning across. Now, just while we're here, a couple of other little troubleshooting tips. So from the option next door, margins, you can pick different margin sizes, or if you just need to creep a little bit more on your first page, for example, up here you want a bit more space at the top, you can choose custom margins. And from here you can actually set the options that you want. I'll just click cancel to come out of there. Now, the other thing I want to show you is it depends on where in the world you are and where your documents have come from. So, for example, if you received a document from another country, perhaps another office, you might want to check size and make sure your paper is set to print on the right size according to where you are in the world. So I'm in Australia and we use A4, but in the US it could be letter or legal. So if you find that your document is printing out on more than one page, but when you look at it, it looks like it's on one page, that's the first thing you should check for. So from there, you could do a print preview or you could simply print your file out. So that's how you can set up your margins and change the paper orientation and size before you start.